Okay, back up a little bit. Hold on. Okay, Haley, do you want some chocolate? What? How do you say chocolate? Say chocolate. Chocolate. Say it again. Chocolate. Riley, can you say chocolate? Chocolate. Say chocolate.
That's good.
That's better. Whoa, careful, you fell down. Okay, you ready for a bite? Oh, what do you want a bite of? What's this? Okay, here's your bite. Is that good? Yeah. Riley, you want a bite too? Is that good?